Do you think you know what lies in the depths of the ocean? Given that nearly 95% of our oceans remain unexplored, it's hard not to let your imagination run wild. But thanks to brave explorers, deep-sea cameras, and hard-working archaeologists, we do know about some incredible sea creatures inhabiting our waters today. Do you know the largest marine creature? Of course, you'd say it's the blue whale, and you'd be right, but only partly. Indeed, the blue whale is the largest marine creature in the world. According to National Geographic, a blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant, and its heart is as heavy as a car. It's hard to believe. No wonder these giants need to eat about 4 tons of krill every day. Its weight can far exceed 150 tons, making it the largest mammal ever to inhabit the planet. But when it comes to length, despite reaching up to 33 meters, it falls significantly short compared to some other marine creatures. And which ones? You'll find out right now. The lion's mane, a predatory giant jellyfish. Myths and legends, born throughout the ages in human society, often feature creatures from the depths of the seas and oceans. A key trait shared by all these mythical beings was gigantism, simply put, colossal size. Though legends and fairy tales are products of their creators' imagination, the vast oceans are indeed home to many astonishing creatures that may have inspired the characters of some literary works. Among them are giant jellyfish. The enormous jellyfish known as Cyanea capillata, or the lion's mane jellyfish, is famous for sometimes reaching staggering sizes. The largest officially recorded specimen had a bell diameter of over 2.3 meters, with tentacles stretching nearly 37 meters long. The lion's mane jellyfish is found predominantly in the colder northern parts of the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, as well as in the surface waters of the planet's northern seas. Like most large jellyfish, this marine creature displays a wide range of colors, which change depending on its age. The giant's cells lack chromatophores, pigment-containing cells linked to the nervous system that allow color changes, much like a chameleon. Older individuals have duller hues, while younger ones boast vibrant colors and a greater variety of shades. These massive jellyfish have a spherical bell divided into 16 distinct sections at the edges, between which lie their visual and orientation organs, rhopalia. Due to their enormous size, lion's mane jellyfish rarely approach shorelines, as collisions with rocks could prove fatal. This marine animal has a unique reproductive cycle, consisting of 2 stages, sexual and asexual. These jellyfish are apex predators and can even feed on other jellyfish. Their tentacles are lined with countless stinging cells containing a potent toxin. Upon contact with plankton, small fish, or other prey, the venom paralyzes and kills the victim, which is then drawn toward the jellyfish's mouth by its tentacles. Since scientists first discovered this species, only one fatal sting has been recorded. Most likely, the victim had a severe allergic reaction to the venom. However, 2 facts cast doubt on this case. First, the lion's mane's venom is not lethal to humans, and second, it is highly unlikely that the jellyfish could sting a person near the shoreline. The toxins in its stinging cells typically cause nothing more than itching and skin redness in humans. An interesting fact about this predator is its name, the lion's mane, which it earned due to its resemblance to the shaggy hair of its namesake mammal. The next very interesting sea giant, Lineus longissimus, the longest worm on the planet. This amazing representative of Nemertians, ribbon worms, is a true record holder in the animal world. What makes it unique? Record-breaking size. Length. The officially recorded specimen reached 55 meters, washed ashore in Scotland in 1864. Lineus longissimus is listed in the Guinness World Records as the longest animal. For comparison, that's much longer than a blue whale. Despite this length, its body is no thicker than 5 to 10 millimeters, resembling giant spaghetti. Thanks to multiple muscle layers, circular, longitudinal, and even diagonal, the worm can stretch and contract like a rubber band, making it incredibly flexible. Lineus has a retractable proboscis, a tubular organ hidden inside its body. When attacking, it rapidly shoots it out, entangling prey with sticky toxin-laced threads. Some Nemertians have stylets, venomous needles, on their proboscis, but Linnaeus kills prey with paralyzing mucus. Its mucus contains nemertide alpha-1, a neurotoxin that paralyzes crabs and cockroaches within minutes. While harmless to humans, scientists are studying its potential as a bioinsecticide against agricultural pests. This giant worm inhabits Atlantic waters from Norway to Great Britain, hiding under rocks or in silt. It feeds on small crustaceans, other worms and carrion, capable of swallowing prey twice its size. When threatened, it coils into a tight ball and secretes toxic mucus. Fantastic regeneration. If cut into pieces, each fragment grows into a new worm. Historical misconceptions. In the 18th century, naturalists mistook Linnaeus for a sea serpent, even describing it as a bluish-green monster. Until the 20th century, Nemertians were confused with flatworms or annelids before being classified as a separate phylum. Despite its frightening appearance, it's harmless to humans. Its extreme length results from evolution for life in bottom currents, where a slender body helps with hiding and hunting. Fun fact: the genome of Linnaeus longissimus has been fully sequenced. We may soon learn even more about its mysteries. And last on our list, but no less interesting, siphonophore, the invisible ocean superorganism. It's not one creature, but a colony. The siphonophore is actually a colony of thousands of individual organisms working as one. Each zooid has a specialized role: nectophores, swimming bells, that propel the colony. Gastrozoids handle digestion. Gonozoids are responsible for reproduction. Dactylozoids, armed with stinging cells for hunting. Record-breaking length ***. Some species, like Praia dubia, can stretch 40 to 50 meters. Yet, they're only a few centimeters thick. Their tentacles contain some of the ocean's most potent venom. The toxin paralyzes even large fish, which the colony then digests collectively. Many siphonophores glow blue or violet in the dark, a trick to lure prey. Their fragile bodies make them elusive. First studied in detail only in the 1970s with deep-sea submersibles. Even in aquariums, they survive just a few days. Maris orthocana looks like a transparent spaceship with pulsating engines. The Portuguese man-o' Physalia physalis, is also a siphonophore, though often mistaken for a jellyfish. Scientists still debate. Should they be considered a single organism? Why does the colony have a brain, nerve clusters, coordinating movement? Siphonophores are nature's perfect aliens. They might have even inspired sci-fi creatures. These are the true giants of the deep. Each one proves our oceans contain wonders beyond imagination. If you enjoyed diving into the world of these incredible sea creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore more amazing ocean mysteries.